The mysteries of dating a Libra man. If you've ever wondered, how does a Libra feel about me? Or if you're currently smitten with a Libra, you're in the right place. Before we delve into the intricacies of dating a Libra man, let's first understand the key traits that define this charming zodiac sign. Libras are known for their diplomacy, charm, and love of balance. Ruled by Venus, the planet of love, they are natural romantics who seek harmony in their relationships. The Libra Man Unveiled. So, what makes a Libra man tick when it comes to matters of the heart? Communication is key for a Libra, as they appreciate open and honest dialogue. They are also drawn to beauty and aesthetics, so don't be surprised if your Libra partner has a keen eye for style and elegance. Balancing act. Harmony in relationships. Libras are ruled by the symbol of the scales, representing their constant pursuit of balance. This desire for equilibrium extends to their relationships, making them attentive partners who strive to avoid conflicts. They may go to great lengths to ensure that both partners feel heard and understood. Social butterflies. Libra men are often social butterflies, enjoying the company of friends and family. If your Libra partner introduces you to their inner circle, consider it a sign that they see a long-term potential with you. Embrace their sociable nature, and don't be surprised if you find yourself attending glamorous gatherings together. The Art of Courtship. When it comes to courtship, a Libra man enjoys the traditional romantic gestures. Flowers, candlelit dinners, and thoughtful surprises are likely to win their hearts. They appreciate the effort you put into creating a beautiful and harmonious atmosphere in your relationship. Challenges and solutions. Of course, no relationship is without its challenges. Libras may struggle with decision-making as they weigh the pros and cons extensively. Patience is key here, and open communication about your needs and expectations can help navigate any bumps in the road.